In this video, you will learn how you can use Google Maps offline. So first of all, let's head over to our Google Maps. Once we do that, what we want to do is we want to search for the place that we want to use offline. So for example, if I just choose Manchester, that will then bring me over to here. And then what we can do is we can click on the back button. And then from here, what we can do is go to our profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once we click on that, you want to select offline maps. And then once we select offline maps, select your own map. And then what you can do is you can zoom in or you can zoom out, zoom in or out. And then once you've got all of the location that you want to use offline, so for example, if I just zoom out, once you have zoomed out, all of this right here, which is inside the blue box, will then be downloaded for offline. So once you click on download and it has finished, you will then be able to access the Google Maps for all of the places that are inside this blue box. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.